Hello, Kit here, professional voice actor and narrator. If, like me, you occasionally come across words you don't know how to say or quite what they mean, then I'm here to help. Here's another word that sounds quite different in British versus American speech. Here we go. Lexicon, lexicant, lexican, with lexicate. This adjective is from the Latin movere, to move, and it means something that is easy to move around. At the bottom, it's written using symbols from the International Phonetic Alphabet, but there's a difference between the symbols for the British and American pronunciations. There's a difference in where the emphasis or stress is, which affects the vowel sounds in this word. Here's the word written phonetically. In a British accent, the word is mobile, with the stress on the second syllable, which is why I put it in uppercase. In an American accent, the word is mobile, with an even stress across the word. Here's how the pronunciation difference might sound in a sentence. In a British accent, he's getting more mobile as the joint heals. In an American accent, he's getting more mobile as the joint heals. Here's an extra tip. Mobile appears in the word automobile, which both accents say the same. British accent, automobile. American accent, automobile. So that's your lexicate word today. Mobile or mobile. Now you know how to say it and where to say it. Got a word you struggle with? Drop it in the comments, I just might feature it next. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart words made simple. And keep building your lexicate.